Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's get started. Here we are going to show you how we can make this beautiful teddy bear. For this one we have to make a circular shape. After that we have to make the ears. Now it's time to make the eyes. After that you just have to write the number 2 and then you just have to join all these two with the head area. This activity is very simple and it's very easy. Fill it with some of the bright colors. Here I'm using the yellow one. You can make use of any other color of your own choice. Have to make an oval shape. Inside the oval you just have to place another oval shape. Then you just have to make the two eyes and the ears and the two cute little nose at the center. After that you just have to fill it with some of the black color. This activity is very simple and it's again best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Let's try to make it properly so that you don't get confused. Just pause the video and follow the each step in a sequential manner. Here we are making use of some more colors. Let's try to make this cute kitty cat. For this one you just have to make the number 2. After that the two zeros. Then you just have to join the zeros so that will be able to make the head area. After that you just have to make the eyes in a curvy shape as if she is sleeping. Then now join the rest of the body and the tail with this cat. This activity is again very simple and best suitable for the small kids. Now it's time to fill it with some of the bright colors. Here we are making use of some of the markers so that we will just fill it with colors in less time. You can make use of colors also. For that you just have to make first some of the sleeping lines, then you just have to make some of the circular lines. After that you just have to fix each side properly. This activity is very good and very easy. It's best suitable for the small kids. Don't forget to make the long ears like shown here. Now it's time to make some of the eyes. Once you're done with it you just have to make some of the seeds of this watermelon. This activity is again very good and very easy. It's best suitable for the small kids. Fill it with some of the bright colors as apparent on your screens. Let's now move further and let's try to make this cat. For this we are making the circle, then two triangles that will represent the ears, and after that we are going to make the belt with a bell and rest of the things as apparent on your screen. So just making this painting with the help of the black marker. You can first make use of the pencil. After that you can highlight the outline using the marker so that you will attain perfection and you can erase the things if remained wrong. Let's move further and try to make the different turtles. First you just have to make some of the circles with the help of different colors. I have used the green, red, orange and the yellow marker for this one. Now with the help of the black marker I am going to just make the features of the turtle. After that we are going to make the features of the beetle. Now it's time to make the features of the snail, and last but not the least a simple ball. This is so good and so easy. Just have to first take a marker and you just have to make the two seeds in the opposite directions, one smaller and one bigger. Then you just have to join them together. It's time to make the long ears as apparent on your screens. Now let's try to make the hands. This is very easy and a cute little rabbit that we are going to make. You can fill it with the different colors. Here I'm going to keep it white and a pink and a tint I'm going to give around the ears with the pink color, and the carrot is to be filled with the orange color as shown here. Let's try to make a fish. For this one I am taking the marker and I am going to make the body of the fish as apparent here on your screen. So just have to make the fins and after that you just have to make the eye. This is so cool. Thank you.